IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. How often do you meet your friends? Band 5. Answer.
I meet my friends maybe once or twice a week. I try to see them more, but sometimes I am too busy with work. We normally go for coffee or just walk around.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence. Simple ideas, short sentences, occasional hesitation. Lexical resource, basic vocabulary, limited variety. Grammar, mostly simple structures, some errors. Pronunciation, generally understandable but not very precise. Typical of a Band 5, conveys meaning but lacks range and accuracy. Band 7.5 Answer.
I usually meet my friends about twice a week. We all have different schedules, but we still make an effort to catch up regularly. Most of the time, we grab a meal together or go for a quick walk to unwind after work.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence, smooth, natural flow with clear organization. Lexical resource, good range, make an effort, catch up, unwind. Grammar, mostly accurate with some complex structures. Pronunciation, clear with natural rhythm and stress. Typical of a Band 7.5. Controlled, flexible language with good fluency. Band 9 Answer.
I meet my friends quite frequently, usually 2 or 3 times a week, because staying connected is important to me. We tend to rotate between casual dinners, short hikes, and simply catching up over coffee, depending on everyone's energy levels. It's become a routine that keeps us close, despite our busy schedules.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence, effortless, cohesive, no hesitation. Lexical resource, sophisticated and precise, rotate, depending on everyone's energy levels, keeps us close. Grammar, fully accurate with flexible, complex structures. Pronunciation, natural, native-like clarity and intonation. Typical of a Band 9, complete control of language with sophistication and ease. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.